As Maine's judicial system continues to grapple with a serious lack of criminal defense attorneys, there's another type of lawyer that is in scarce supply: civil trial lawyers who handle everything from housing disputes to family law.
According to a report to the legislature earlier this year, more than half of all Maine's lawyers hung their shingles in Cumberland County. That means civil lawyers are few and far between in the most rural parts of our state. But one organization, Pine Tree Legal Assistance, which has 5 offices across the state, including ones in Presque Isle and Machias, is trying to change that, one new lawyer at a time. Here's News Center Maine's Raya Wooten.
I always knew I wanted to do some sort of service.
Jordan Miller grew up in California, and he has spent the last 3 years studying law in New York.
And I loved New York, but I think I was looking for a big change.
He's still wearing a big smile because he just found out he passed the bar exam. Now Miller is part of a program through Pine Tree Legal Services, meant to employ lawyers in underserved parts of the state, providing much-needed legal advice to rural clients.
I wanted to experience a place I have never experienced before and go to a place where my help felt like it would really be appreciated.
Based in Machias, he joins Pine Tree Legal's efforts to extend access to free civil law services to people living in Aroostook and Washington counties, and as well as other isolated areas through the nonprofit's Charles and Eleanor Miller Rural Justice Fellowship Program.
I think a lot of our clients feel like they've gotten the short end of the stick and have gotten the short end of the stick.
Over 300,000 people in Maine qualify for free legal services through Pine Tree Legal, but location is a barrier.
Our court system also relies on us and other civil legal aid providers to make sure that folks who need to use our judicial system have representation and aren't navigating the system alone without a lawyer to advise and represent them.
Through the program and with the commitment from fresh new hires, Pine Tree Legal is working to make sure Mainers have the representation they need. In Portland, Raya Wooten, News Center, Maine.
And after their 2-year contract is up, lawyers can choose to stay with Pine Tree Legal. The organization is already looking to recruit another newly minted attorney to work for 2 years in Presque Isle starting next year.